Okay, behind me we have one of our most sellable vehicles. And what I mean by that is when we get one, we sell them quickly, we have a lot of interest in them, and they are not easy to find. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak with the Predator X conversion. Now this one behind me has just landed. It's a 2024 3-litre V6, so the bigger 3-litre engine. The conversion costs an absolute fortune. It's only done 3,000 miles. It is VAT qualifying. The price is plus VAT. If you are interested, no sales tactic, please get in touch quickly, because as far as I can see, it is the only like-for-like one for sale in the market. And what I mean by that as well is the fact that it's got the SCZ Sportback. It's been put together in the proper manner, and it is a proper Predator X conversion worth a hell of a lot of money. Now, ultimate road presence on one of these trucks, I think if you're looking for one, and my experience of selling these, and I've sold probably about 20 over the last couple of years, is they look so good. But even better in real life, people coming to collect these from our showroom when they bought them always say how much bigger and how much better it is when they physically get to see it. So if you like what you see now, you're going to like it even more when you pick it up, put it that way. Now these things are put together really well. They've got suspension upgrades. They've got these lovely 21-inch or 20-inch Predator X wheels with the Renegade tyres. Arch extensions very wide, light surrounds, and all colour coded throughout the vehicle with the LED animated light bar and the roof light on the top. Predator X decals. I'm going to turn those lights off actually just while we're going round. Now it is a 3-litre V6 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So as a vehicle goes, great following, great all-round 4-wheel drive truck. Made even better by the way that this looks. So it's all fully colour coded. So we've got painted steps, we've got all the decals, painted wing inserts, roof rails also painted. These aren't standard features you get on a normal Wildtrak. They've been over and above painted in the proper manner. Light protectors at the rear, all in gloss black. The SCZ Sportback, which looks fantastic, and then obviously flips up, allows you to get into the rear. It's all load lined in the back. It's done 3,000 miles, and it's actually just clicked 3,000 miles. It's in an unbelievable condition, just as you'd want one to be. That back, by the way, is about £3,000, I do think, and it just looks so good. Now, the arches, they really widen this truck a hell of a lot, but it's been lifted, so you'll see it's a very big, imposing vehicle. And I think the conversion costs circa 15 to 20 grand to make it look like this. It's so good, isn't it? This one is VAT qualifying, like I say, it's plus VAT. Little things to the front end. Now I've turned them lights off on the car. You can see we've got the LED animated light bar, which swoops as you turn the vehicle on and off. The Ford LED new style lighting system with the LED driving lights, the bull bar underneath, and again all colour coded to the bottom with a colour coded honeycomb grille. Now then, if you're looking to buy this vehicle, you know, we can look at funding options for you, part exchanges, whatever it might be, but it is in the correct condition on a 24, still under Ford warranty until 2027. The Wildtrak gives you really nice leather finishes inside with the orange detailed stitching. Functional light bar on the roof with the Predator decal on there, if you can focus in on that. And then the Wildtrak in the 3-litre V6 gives you power, it gives you pulling power, electric driver's seat, heated wheel, heated front seat, reverse camera. It's a fantastic vehicle. Look at the condition. With 3,000 miles on it, as you'd want it to be. And get it snapped up quickly. I'm sure it will sell quick, just due to the nature of the ones we've had before and the interest we've had in them and the fact that it's so head-turning when you're driving around. Now then, full switchable driver cockpit in these new Rangers. It's just clicked over 3,000 miles. We've got adaptive cruise control with lane assist, blind spot assist, sport steering wheel. You've got the big iPad-like screen, all touch operated. The plastic's actually still on this screen from new. That's how nice it is. With a reversing camera. You've also got a couple of different views for the camera. If you drop a tow bar on this, you've got your tow bar view as well. Heated wheel, heated front seats, wireless smartphone integration, 2 keys, high range, low range gearbox selection, automatic gearbox. It's beautiful. It really is. Get it bought. Very difficult to buy in this format. It is big, but it is easy to get in and out with the steps. And I mean, I just slid out there, didn't I? It probably wasn't the most graceful exit to a car you've ever seen. But I love these. We love them. We would have 10 on sale if we could, but we just can't buy them in this manner anymore. So if you're interested, please register that interest straight away. Simple and easy buying process. My number's on the screen. Use it and call me. If you see this video and you want it, do that very quickly. Thanks for watching.